Feature Engine is an open-source Python library for feature engineering. It serves as a powerful interface between Pandas and scikit-learn, two of the most popular libraries for machine learning. By taking in a data frame and returning data frames as outputs, Feature Engine allows you to utilize Pandas' rich manipulation and visualization tools seamlessly within your feature engineering processes to understand how the feature transformations impact the data and its relationships. At the same time, its integration with scikit-learn through the fit and transform methods makes it easy to embed feature engineering within model tuning and evaluation, leaving your end-to-end machine learning pipelines ready for model deployment. So check it out and let us know how you find it in the comments. And if you're a fan of Feature Engine already, please like or share this video and help us spread the word. Thank you.